Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. I know this video has nothing to do with aquariums, but this is something that I have to show you. If you have white leather chairs like this, I'm just going to change. If you have white leather chairs like this that are really expensive, and you have kids or pets like I do, they start getting like this. In this video, I am going to show you a method that I tried and it works, and you're able to take white leather like this with these terrible scratches, and this, as you can see, you restored the color. Still a little bit damp, but we were able to restore the color and to remove all of the scratches and imperfections for only 25 bucks. And in a second, I'll show you how. So I went over to my local Home Depot, and there was a lot of trial and error, but here is the code here. There's the code right there. If you guys want to snapshot it or take a photo of it, you have the code there for this color white. So here's the paint here. Now this video is not sponsored by BEHR Premium Plus paint. It is just a product that I'm using, but if they would like to sponsor it, I'll be more than happy to use their product. This is the 3-inch roller that I'm using, and I also have some other sleeves. This whole project cost me about $25 to do, and it cost a whole lot more to redo these chairs. We did get an estimate to have them redone in leather, and it cost over $13,000 to do. So we saved a whole lot money this way. Take note that this project thing that before you paint anything, you'd always want to clean the surface, make sure that there's no dust or anything on it once you start painting. That way you don't have anything underneath the paint. And that's what I did on each chair before painting. I made sure that they were wiped clean, especially on these armchairs where my kids would actually always sit on. But once they were completely finished, I mean, the very next day, just the very next morning, the chairs looked amazing. They were completely dry. I did sit on each one of them just to make sure that, you know, everything was dry and cured, and it was. I believe the actual curing time was probably 4 to 5 hours. So like I said in the beginning of the video, make sure you do this late at night, and this is the last thing that you do. That way you don't have any company or anything like that coming over and sitting on them. Now, one thing, like one of my children were actually eating Takis the very next day after painting them, and what I was able to do is just get a warm damp towel and wipe the Taki right off. This is a very durable paint and very easy to maintain after they're painted, and you could probably do this with pretty much any style white chair. Now, for the people that are following my channel and know that I am a fish tank keeper, I am sorry I haven't posted anything about the fish tank. It's just we are in the midst of getting another tank, and that video is coming up very soon. We are upgrading the tank, so please keep an eye out for my next video. We have a massive change to our 65-gallon fish tank. We are converting it to a different larger tank. And that pretty much brings our video to the end, guys. I hope that this video helps you. I will add everything inside of the description, so you could go to Home Depot and buy what you guys need. Thank you very much, and see you next time on Joseph's Tropical Tanks.